cause I'm right where I wanna be, yeah. You bring the colors to my life, baby. I don't know what I'd do without you. I was colorblind before I ever found you, yeah, yeah. You are the apple of my eye. And I know that you're the one for me. Baby, you're my
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Mark Vince. Some people call me J Mark, some people call me Mark. My name is Jamarquis. Good to see y'all again. I know it's been a while, but I'm back. But this time I'm back with something a little bit different. I'm gonna do a food review of KFC's chicken and waffles. Now, I didn't get the regular chicken and waffles because that would be nothing but like the waffles with some chicken strips. So I wanted to try the actual sandwich with the 2 waffles and the chicken with the sauce on it. So we gonna try this thing. So I got my sandwich here, got my wedges, okay, got my drink, and I got me 2 have mercy, and I got me 2 of these little guys. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unwrap this thing. Oh y'all, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. Damn, it smells. Ooh, look at that. So that's what the sandwich looks like. Okay, the chicken, the little sauce on it. You can see the sauce, you can see it. All right. First impression, smells really good. Okay, the waffle got a little something on it. You know, I'm gonna take a little bite of this waffle first. Y'all, that's a good buttery, cinnamony waffle. Oh Lord have mercy. All right, so now I'm gonna try a little piece of chicken first, because I want to add some syrup to it. I want to try this chicken. Look at the chicken. Check the chicken. Now, I personally would have wanted more sauce, but I understand what they're doing here. So let me try. That's good. It's a little warm, you know, a little hot sauce, but it's good. Finger licking good. Okay. So now I'm gonna try to sandwich the whole sandwich now. There we go. Y'all, I'm impressed. Oh Lord. Oh my God. You gotta go get it. I promise you. Now, I love me some food. You got to go try this here. Ooh. You ain't even gotta add no syrup to it. But because I am who I am, I'm gonna add me a little bit of syrup. Is that all right? Is that all right with the people if I add a little syrup to my sandwich? Okay. So. Oh yeah. My God. All right. So, add a little syrup to the sandwich. And I'm gonna try it with the syrup. So this chicken is so good. I believe it's don't quote me, but I think it's like white meat. I think it's like a breast, a boneless breast. So good. Y'all, the waffle. I mean, the chicken is amazing. So now I gotta try the whole sandwich with a little bite of my potato, and I'll be able to tell you what I feel. Yeah. This is it. KFC, y'all done went and done it. Y'all, I'm for real. Look at that. Shut up. Let me tell you, the outside got a little crisp crunch to it. Inside is soft and buttery with a little touch of cinnamon. The chicken with the hot sauce, it's amazing. So I didn't try the chicken and waffles separately, but if I were to recommend something, I would definitely recommend you go and get the sandwich, y'all, and make sure you ask them for some syrup on the side. This, oh my God. I ain't even playing. This right here. Oh my God. The sandwich is good, okay? And can I be honest? I don't even eat Chick-fil-A. I don't even eat KFC. And this right here is blessing me. I'm blessed. I have been blessed today. While I'm on my diet, eating healthy, I just had I mean, every bite. Every bite. It's just like the first. Am I the only person to get upset when all my syrup seep into my waffle or my pancake? So I gotta add some more. Mrs. Butterworth? Are you kidding me? This lady, Miss Butterworth, will bless you too if you just let her. She'll bless you if you let her. Y'all. If you've already tried this, comment below and tell me what you thought about it. See, I almost didn't do this today. Trying to be healthy, y'all, but I had to come try it for the people. The people want to know what it tastes like before they go get it. Oh. And only costs $7.99 for this meal. Now, I'm in South Carolina. You heard it here. Yeah. I ain't lying. What could they do to make it better? Nothing. The sandwich is amazing. The sauce on the chicken, it's spicy, but it's not overkill. It's just the right amount of spicy and sweet together. The waffles are great. Nothing tastes like it's old, like it's been sitting out for a while. If I had to rate it out of 5, I would give it a good old strong 4. Not 4, a good old strong 4. No, it's just amazing. It's really good. So I'm about to get up out of here, but I had to do the review of the KFC chicken and waffles. I did the chicken and waffle sandwich, and it is amazing. Again, I give it a 4 out of 5. Just because I love Waffle House. Ain't nothing ever gonna be Waffle House. Okay? But if you already tried this, comment below, let me know how you felt about it. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. You hear this music that's been playing in the background the whole time? That's my original music. I have a new single that just came out under Mark Vince, MarkVince. I'll put that down below. And I'll put the links to all the music. So let me know how y'all feel about the sandwich. And let me know what you think about my music. Alright, so that'll be all, folks. I'm out of here. Peace.